Today, a soda costs a few dollars. But back then, a single nickel bought you a glass of this mysterious liquid. Believe it or not, the world's favorite soda started over a century ago as a very unique medical formula. But what exactly was inside? Let's find out. Our story begins in 1886 with John Pemberton. He was a hurt Civil War soldier who became addicted to strong painkillers. Desperate for a cure, he used his chemistry skills to invent a sweet alcoholic wine mixed with two special ingredients, coca leaves and cola nuts. But then his city banned alcohol. To save his business, he swapped the recipe for bubbly water and syrup. Boom! Coke was born. The name reveals the recipe. Coca came from strong herbal leaf extracts and cola from caffeine-packed nuts. It was the ultimate energy drink. By 1929, scientists perfected a process to completely clear the leaves of heavy medicinal compounds, leaving the drink entirely purified and delicious. Fun fact 1. Coke did not invent Santa, but their famous 1930s advertisements permanently changed his winter suit from green to bright red. During World War II, factories ran out of standard ingredients, so they creatively used fruit peelings to invent a new soda, Fanta. Today, the secret recipe is locked in an Atlanta vault. Hit that subscribe button for more amazing history stories.